Josh, are you looking for a squirrel? Where'd he go? He went up the tree, honey. But he appreciates you bringing him the football. Throw Daddy the football. Yay!
You can go out for a pass. You take off running. Daddy will throw it to you. Take off running. Not that way. Take off running that way. You go out that way. Z pattern right, and I'll throw it to you. On two. Ready? Hut, hut, two.
Oswald.
Go, I'm going to throw it to you, son. Get ready. What happened? What happened? You were supposed to catch it. Try it again, okay? Hey. We're going this way, son. That's your son.
Airplane! Let me see an airplane. Okay, play football with Daddy.
Hand off to Joshua Peltier up the middle. Run! Run, son! Don't drop it! Don't drop it and kick it. Alright, ready? You go out for a pass. I'll throw it to you. Ready? Hut, hut, hut.
Airplane!
Who are looking at the airplane? Here it comes. Go get it. Get the football. Run with it, Joshua. Run, son. Run now. Run. I'm going to chase you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to tackle you. You better run, son. You better run. Run faster. You almost could go. Run the wrong way. Come on, go that way. Run faster.